I should have brought gloves and I didn't. Fuck. God damn. Whew. There's people in the field with 2 dogs. They already have a snow mustache. I could already feel the icicles. Can't be out here more than 20 minutes though, supposedly, unless you're Wim Hof. This is the hole. I don't even think these people have their dog on a leash. And it's getting so cold. This is Freedom Park. The GoPro can't capture the snow really, only in the light. Almost. I think a couple years back I did something similar to this, and I almost had frostbite on my face, but I'm not gonna get it, no way. So the machine's still here in case anybody feels thirsty or hot. Am I right or am I wrong? Still works. It still works in this weather. Let's go around here and take a look. I was gonna walk this way, but my house is closer that way, so I gotta walk this way. Wasn't able to go in the middle of the field because those people, but I believe I could now because they're gone. Whew. Doing this without gloves, by the way. Whew. It's cold. Whew. I can't believe I did this with my Samsung camera. The battery got fucked on that one. Excuse my language. Whew. God damn. Oh. Whew. Oh no. I don't know what's happening to my GoPro. It's got those weird lines. I don't know what's happening. Fuck. I might have to stop right here. That's the whole park. Yeah, I had to stop and warm the battery. I don't want to damage this. Alright, peace out. I'll come back here tomorrow probably.